What's up you guys, it's Alan and I'm back with another video. This time it's shot in the night time, like you can see with the lights and the reflection and all of that. And also it's been a long time since I've done something with Asics. It's the 30th anniversary of the Gel Lyte III. It came out in the year 1990, so 2020. And shout out to the guys at Asics for sending me this pair. Like you can see, it says the 30th, an all white Asics box with this chain detailing right here. Let's pop the lid and do a quick unboxing before I slip these on feet. Now help me with the YouTube algorithm, would you? Hit that like. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's get the box out of the way. Boom. The Asics Gel Lyte III OG. Now when the Gel Lyte III came out in 1990, it was ahead of its time, you know. Usually it had 2 layers of gel sole, and this was the first model that came out with 3 layers. So from what I hear, it was technically hard to put together. Also, the most noticed factor in this sneaker is the split tongue. You know, it splits right in the middle. I got the lace out of the way. And it's a one-piece upper, so the tongue is integrated right there on top and it splits right there in the middle. An interesting thing about the sneaker is that back then, this pine green and citrus yellow were colors that didn't exist, and they had to really put together a lot of effort to generate these colors. So like, I mean, if you see this box itself, it says right here, the colors we wanted didn't exist, so we mixed our own colors. And this is a note by the creator of the sneaker, Mr. Mitsui or Mitsui-san. And that is why it means so much more that the Gel Lyte III has come out in its OG colorway. It's got a nice suede, it feels like felt really, the toe box. Yeah, the pine green color, it feels like felt, but I think it's suede. And the same goes for the heel section. Your yellow heads are right there on the upper and in your lace tips. There are 3M heads, of course. This bit right here is a 3M head, and you have a bit of 3M head right there too. Minimal branding apart from the Asics branding on the midsole, Gel Lyte III right here. And you have Asics again there, and in that reflective panel it says gel. I love the toe box. It feels like satin or something, nice and luxurious, smooth. It's damn cool. A proper, perfect summer sneaker. Couldn't have come at a better time as well. The insole has Asics branding as well with the citrusy yellow color. A good to know fact, the Gel Lyte III is actually the preferred silhouette for a lot of collabs. People like Hannon have done a collab too, twice. Once was the Wildcats and the other one was the Solstice. I don't know how to pronounce that. A really clean, neat pair. You have multiple layers, you know, like this part right here is proper leather, and then you have the underlay of that satin kind of finish, and this bit here is again that suede or felt. Sock liner is basic white. Man, I owned a Gel Lyte 5. This is my first Gel Lyte 3 if I'm honest, and they are super comfy, which is why obviously Asics are the preferred runner shoes. I want to keep this video brief. I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. If you're an Asics guy, are you gonna try rocking these? And especially being an OG colorway, and this year being the 30th anniversary of the Gel Lyte III, are you gonna be rocking some Asics on feet too? I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for staying tuned. Peace.